Let's talk about that unmistakable red can and curvy bottle, Coca-Cola. It's a symbol that transcends language, culture, and even generations. Whether you're at a bustling city cafe or a quiet rural shop, that familiar logo is instantly recognizable, evoking memories and a sense of shared experience. It's more than a drink, it's a global icon, instantly recognized from London to Lagos. Across continents and time zones, people reach for a Coke to celebrate, to refresh, or simply to enjoy a moment of connection. It's a beverage that's woven into the fabric of daily life, from family gatherings to major sporting events. For over a century, Coke has been part of our lives, but the journey from factory to your hand is anything but simple. Behind every bottle and can is a story of innovation, adaptation, and relentless pursuit of quality. The process is a fascinating blend of old-world tradition and cutting-edge technology. Behind every sip is a world of engineering, chemistry, and logistics. Teams of experts work tirelessly to ensure that every ingredient is perfectly balanced, every batch is consistent, and every bottle meets the highest standards. It's a dance of precision and passion where science meets art. Factories run around the clock, producing millions of drinks daily with mind-boggling precision. These facilities are marvels of automation, where machines and people work in harmony to keep up with global demand. Every second counts, and every detail matters. A single production line can churn out over 2 million cans in a day, nearly 24 cans every second. That's enough to quench the thirst of entire cities. All thanks to a seamless flow of materials, machinery, and human expertise. The company's promise: a Coke in one country tastes identical to a Coke in another, thanks to staggering consistency. No matter where you are, you can count on that familiar fizz and flavor, a testament to rigorous quality control and a closely guarded recipe. We're pulling back the curtain to see how it all happens. From the moment raw ingredients arrive at the factory, to the instant a cold Coke lands in your hand, every step is a marvel of coordination and care. From humble water to the finished product, we'll follow the journey inside a modern marvel. Water is purified to perfection, ingredients are blended with scientific accuracy, and every stage is monitored for quality. We'll see the secret syrup, robotic arms, and the intricate choreography that brings it all together. The process is both high-tech and steeped in tradition, with some steps unchanged for decades, and eagle-eyed inspectors ensuring perfection. Every bottle is checked, every can is tested, and nothing leaves the factory unless it meets the legendary Coca-Cola standard. This is the story of technology, tradition, and a secret recipe that's captivated the world. It's a blend of nostalgia and innovation, where every sip connects us to a rich history and a global community. How's that familiar drink made? Let's find out. Let's get to it. The journey of Coca-Cola is just beginning, and we're about to step inside the world's most famous fizzy drink. Everything starts with water. This simple, clear liquid is the unsung hero behind every bottle of Coca-Cola. Before any flavors, fizz, or sweetness are added, water forms the very backbone of the drink. In fact, about 90% of what's in your Coke is water. That means the quality of the water is absolutely crucial to the taste and safety of every sip. Coca-Cola factories treat water purification with fanatical seriousness. Every drop is scrutinized, tested, and purified to meet standards far beyond what you'd find in your tap at home. The water must be purer than local drinking standards. No taste, no smell, no minerals. It's stripped of anything that could interfere with the signature Coca-Cola flavor. First, it passes through sand and carbon filters to remove particles and chlorine. These filters act as the first line of defense, catching impurities you'd never want in your drink. Then comes reverse osmosis, forcing water through microscopic membranes, leaving only pure molecules. This high-tech process ensures that even the tiniest contaminants are removed. The result? Water so pure, it rivals NASA's standards for astronauts. It's almost too pure to drink on its own, completely neutral, with nothing to distract from the flavors that will be added later. But they go further, zapping it with ultraviolet light or ozone to eliminate any lingering microorganisms. This extra step is about absolute safety, ensuring nothing unwanted survives. Every stage is carefully monitored by advanced sensors and skilled technicians who check and double-check the water's purity before it moves on. This belt and braces approach guarantees the base ingredient is flawless. If the water isn't perfect, the process stops until it is. All this effort is for something we usually take for granted. Most of us never think twice about the water in our drinks, but for Coca-Cola, it's a non-negotiable foundation. In the world of Coca-Cola, perfect water is the foundation of everything. It's the invisible ingredient that makes every bottle possible. Without it, nothing else matters. The entire operation depends on getting this first step absolutely right. The journey starts here, with the purest water possible. Next, the secret syrup. With perfect water ready, it's time for the soul of the drink, the syrup. The concentrate arrives in sealed containers. Its recipe is a closely guarded secret. We know it includes caramel color, phosphoric acid, and a blend of natural flavors. The concentrate is potent and must be diluted with sweetener, cane sugar, beet sugar, or high fructose corn syrup depending on the region. In computer-controlled tanks, the concentrate and sweetener are mixed with exact precision. Too much or too little sweetener and the taste is off. Computers ensure every batch of syrup is identical, guaranteeing global consistency. The final syrup is sweet, dark, and flavorful, but it's not Coke yet. It waits in storage tanks, ready for the next stage, blending with water and carbonation. This is the concentrated essence of that world-famous taste. Now, the purified water and final syrup come together in a high-tech proportioner. This machine mixes them in the exact ratio that defines Coca-Cola, monitored by computers for flawless accuracy. Even the tiniest deviation triggers alarms and automatic shutdowns. But the drink is still flat. Carbon dioxide is injected next, giving Coke its signature fizz. The liquid is chilled before carbonation, ensuring maximum absorption of bubbles. The entire process is a closed loop. No outside air touches the product. This keeps the drink pure and the carbonation locked in. From water purification to carbonation, everything happens in sterile stainless steel environments. The result? A fully carbonated, perfectly mixed ice-cold Coca-Cola. It's ready for bottling or canning, never exposed to the outside world. Purity and precision are everything. Now, it's time for the containers. While Coke is mixed, the containers are prepared, often made right on site. Plastic bottles start as small preforms, heated and blown into shape in seconds. Cans and glass bottles arrive in bulk, then are cleaned and inspected. Glass bottles get extra cleaning and a blast of carbon dioxide to preserve freshness. Every container, plastic, glass, or can, is rigorously inspected by high-speed cameras and sensors. Any with defects are instantly rejected. Only flawless containers move forward. The goal ensures nothing compromises the drink inside. Now the stage is set for filling. The race against time begins. In the heart of the factory, speed and precision reach their absolute peak. Every movement is calculated, every second is accounted for, and the entire operation is a finely tuned race against time. Here, the pressure is not just in the cans, but in the air. Everyone and everything is working at maximum efficiency. The filler capper machine is a marvel of engineering, equipped with dozens of nozzles that work in perfect harmony. In just a single minute, it fills hundreds of containers, each one receiving the exact amount of beverage. The choreography is mesmerizing. Liquid flows, cans spin, and the line never stops. The environment is carefully pressurized to keep the CO2 dissolved in the drink, ensuring every can pops with that signature fizz. The air is cool and misty, condensation forming on the machinery as the process races forward. Each bottle or can is filled to the exact level, with advanced sensors checking every single one. These sensors are so sensitive they can detect even the slightest deviation, guaranteeing consistency in every product. Underfilling cheats the customer, while overfilling risks leaks and wasted product. The margin for error is razor thin, and the system is designed to catch even the smallest mistake. Caps and lids are applied in a split second, sealing in freshness and fizz before any CO2 can escape. This step is crucial. Without a perfect seal, the drink would lose its sparkle. The process is relentless. Over 2,000 cans are sealed every minute, a blur of motion and mechanical precision. The line moves so fast, it's almost impossible to follow with the naked eye. After filling, containers pass through a gauntlet of inspections, seal checks, fill level sensors, and even pressure tests. Robotic arms and automated cameras scrutinize every detail, ensuring nothing is missed. Any product failing these rigorous checks is instantly removed from the line, no questions asked. Only the best make it through. Ruthless quality control ensures that only perfect drinks leave the line. Every can and bottle is a testament to the factory's commitment to excellence. It's a high-speed dance of machines and precision, a symphony of automation where every second counts and every movement matters. The result? A perfectly sealed, safe and fizzy Coke, ready to be enjoyed, with every bubble preserved just as intended. But even with all this technology, machines can't check everything. The final test is left to human senses. Taste is next, ensuring every Coke is as delicious as the last. Machines can check fill levels and seals, but only humans can judge taste. Every factory has a taste lab, staffed by highly trained testers. Samples from every batch are compared to a master reference, Coke's gold standard. Testers assess aroma, sweetness, acidity, background flavors and carbonation. Even the slightest deviation is caught by their finely tuned palates. If a problem is found, the entire batch is quarantined and retested. If the issue is confirmed, tens of thousands of cans or bottles are destroyed. It's a costly but non-negotiable commitment to consistency. The promise: every Coke tastes exactly as it should. Taste is the final, crucial check. The brand's reputation depends on it. At the heart of it all is the legendary Coca-Cola formula. Protected for over 130 years, the recipe is locked in a vault in Atlanta. Only a handful of people know the full formula, and it's divided so no one person or supplier knows it all. The secret concentrate, known as Merchandise 7X, is prepared centrally and shipped worldwide. Local factories mix it with sugar and water, but never know the full blend of flavors. Even suppliers don't know how their ingredients fit into the puzzle. This elaborate secrecy has kept competitors at bay for generations. The formula isn't just a recipe, it's one of the world's most valuable business secrets. It's the magic behind every bottle. Making a can of Coke is a symphony of science, engineering, and quality control. It starts with obsessively purified water and a secret concentrate under lock and key. Every step is governed by precision, from mixing to carbonation. Machines blow mold bottles, fill thousands of cans a minute, and inspect every detail. A digital nervous system of sensors and computers monitors everything. Yet the human touch remains vital. Taste testers are the final guardians of quality. Their verdict can halt the entire operation. This blend of high-tech and human skill keeps Coke consistent worldwide. Next time you open a Coke, remember the journey: pure water, secret syrup, lightning-fast machines, and meticulous inspectors. It's more than a drink. It's a masterpiece of modern manufacturing. Sometimes the most familiar things have the most extraordinary stories.